Hello everyone, in the previous video we had discussed about phylum Echinodermata. In this video we are going to discuss about phylum Hemichordata. Phylum Hemichordata was earlier considered as lowest subphylum under Chordata. It was earlier considered as the lowest subphylum under Chordata. Now it is an independent phylum and it is considered as a non-chordate phylum. Non-chordate phylum, which means that there is no notochord. Talking about general features, they have a bilateral symmetry, they are triploblastic, and they have a enterocoelomic type of eucoelom. Enterocoelomic type of eucoelom. They exhibit organ system level of organization. So they are bilaterally symmetrical triploblastic animals which are coelomates and exhibit organ system level of organization. Talking about their habitat, these are mostly marine and they live in burrows. They live in burrows in the water. They have a soft cylindrical body, with tongue-like proboscis. Collar is muscular. These are the parts or divisions of its body. Collar is muscular and a trunk is present. So body is divided into proboscis, collar and trunk. They show the presence of stomochord. Stomochord is a notochord-like hollow outgrowth. It is a notochord-like hollow outgrowth from the buccal cavity. So from their mouth, there is, if this is the mouth, there is formation of a hollow chord which is known as stomochord. Earlier this stomochord was thought to be notochord, and which is why this phylum was considered as a chordate. Later on, stomochord was detected as an independent feature and it is not considered as a notochord, and therefore phylum Hemichordata was moved out of phylum Chordata into an independent non-chordate phylum. This stomochord is also known as buccal diverticulum. Digestive tract is complete. And they are deuterostomic. That is, there are two openings and anus forms first and mouth forms later on. Respiration is through one or several gill slits. So there are gill-like openings present in the body like this, which help in respiration. Circulatory system is of open type and blood is colorless because it does not have any pigment. Excretion and osmoregulation takes place through proboscis gland. And mode of excretion is mostly ammonotelic. That is, they excrete out ammonia gas dissolved in water. Nervous system is very primitive type. And sense organs are not very well developed. Only epidermal sensory cells are present. epidermal sensory cells are present. Epidermis refers to the outermost layer of the skin. Reproduction. In reproduction, they are mostly dioecious, that is, they are unisexual. They show external fertilization. They show external fertilization and development is indirect. That is, a larval stage is present which does not resemble the adult. The larva is known as Tornaria larva. Larva is known as Tornaria larva, and it was discovered by a scientist named as Muller. And it was discovered by a scientist named as Muller. Now this is a figure of Balanoglossus, which is a member of phylum Hemichordata. You can see it has a proboscis which is used for locomotion and transport of food. There is a muscular collar. There is genital wing and hepatic region which together make up the trunk. There is an abdominal region and an anus is present. So there are two openings. One opening is present in the proboscis and other opening is present in the anus. Talking about examples, we have Balanoglossus, which is also known as tongue worm, Saccoglossus, Cephalodiscus, and Rhabdopleura. So with this, we are finished with phylum Hemichordata. See you in next video.